This is long-standing U.S. policy. If you hate Republicans and you think they're bloodthirsty, racist warmongers, you have to recognize that Democrats do the exact same thing by continuing that reactionary imperialist policy. So I need you to remember that, okay? When we talk about this, the invasion of the Hague Act might be a Bush-era piece of legislation that literally dictates that the United States will invade The Hague with its armed forces if a single American military member or diplomat is prosecuted by the International Criminal Court. Just remember that. That is a real law that we have here, okay? And the failure of national courts to investigate alleged war crimes. She specifically cited two contexts in which she said both the U.S. partners and their opponents should be investigated: the Israeli-Palestinian dispute and the war in Afghanistan. And by the way, that's not even for prosecution. That's for extraditing or for being held, like being detained for a prosecution. That is a literal threat. That's a literal threat in the form of legislation in America. That is not a joke. This is a very real piece of legislation. Boys, I know that there are a lot of new people here, okay? It's also, oh, someone already put the Wikipedia, so I don't have to Google it. There it is. It's also known as the American Service Members Protection Act. Okay? It is a federal law that was enacted in August 2nd of 2002 that aims to protect the United States military personnel and other elected and appointed officials of the United States government against criminal prosecution by an international criminal court, which the United States is not party. It's literally also known as the Invasion of the Hague Act. Okay? It's been nicknamed the Hague Invasion Act. So, to think that like we are not the villains in this story is so stupid.